Do you know what stall kit this is on our 206 and 207? We have VGs all on the leading edge. We have VGs on the vertical stabilizer. We have these antennas, I believe, which are part of them. We have flipping rounded ends of the plane. Can't remember what you call that. And we have right here extended right here. That's what the pilot said it was extended for more lift. Maybe it's on that one over there. And the reason why I said the antennas for that one, because on this plane that has the same things there, it doesn't have antennas on the back. It has a flipping white flat plate. Pretty sturdy. And Kilo Whiskey has flipping white things like this tall going across the spine of and vertically of each wing. Looks like they have like mini vertical stabilizers on the wings, which I'm not too sure about that. But if you know, you know. Hopefully I'll add a clip of the Kilo Whiskey thing on the wing here. So yeah, this could probably be outside. So okay, dang. Here's that thing I was talking about on the wing. It's like a, I don't want to say slat, but look at that. It's a DC-3. Wrong. Well, gotta watch the other video for this. Not to be that guy, but I'm that guy.